Hold on, almost there. One minute. Ah! Ugh. Phil crapped out right away.
Okay.
We took the bypass downhill. I threw him his water. He went all the way to the gate. He didn't even stop at the bottom of the bypass. I was like, I'm gonna go catch up with Sean. Oh, and then I was on it the whole way up, and I'm fried.
I kept on looking back. I was like, fully expecting it past me like 8 minutes ago. But that was definitely my best time to the top, whatever it is.
That might be close for me from the gate at least.
You guys Strava?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I finally, this is only my 3rd time up, but he told me to slam the gate. And I finally slammed it. I made it all the way through without stopping. Because you stop on this or right after the gate, it's hard to get
Which
going.
gate? Which gate?
Right at the bottom.
The entry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slam into it.
I just rammed.
Right
with the road.
I kind of just rammed through it with the front tire.
Well, yeah. Oh, going up. Yeah.
Going up.
Down.
Good luck.
I've done it, but I've lately the last 2 or 3 times I've tried to kick it out of the way.
It didn't seem to work really well.
I'm trying. I get the close.
Yeah.
You use Strava as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good app.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
That's neat.
Did you pay for the premium?
Yeah, I got 3 weeks.
Yeah.
That is,
I'm just curious. I've never paid for the premium. I use the freebie as well. When people, yes, $59 a year. It's like, or $6 a month. And the free one does everything I need it to.
$1 a month would be worth it, I think. Unless it's like that's my business.
Yeah.
Which way do you want to go down?
I don't.
All the rollers coming down. Those are fun.
What rollers?
right off the road.
Oh, those jumps up at the top?
You go down the right side.
Those are jumps. Those are doubles.
Yeah, I'll get there.
I don't even go over, so it wasn't me, man. I did.
Oh, I don't even know what you're talking about then.
Well, we'll walk back up. The first time I hit those things, there was a family on the other side, so I had no choice. I didn't realize there was a bunch of them, so I tried to jump the first one, and then by that time you're going so fast, I'm just like, ah!
I might work up to one of those, but 3 in a row, it's like you jack your timing on the first one. You're like,
So let's go back up to the top. Nice meeting you.
Take care.
Yeah, I don't think that was my best time, but I think it'll be close. Maybe my second best. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's not for me. Yeah, I'm not doing those.
I'm not counting them, but I want to come there.
All right, give me a minute.
Have you ever been to the right?
No.
The only way I know of to get to a downhill bypass without coming back up.
It is. Unless you just take the dirt or the paved road down, but that to me is not fun at all. It's all right, but it's not. Oh, just give me a minute, man. I really hurt my legs coming up. I've been doing so much the last couple of days.
Build and stuff. I'm like waving, he waves back. I'm like, I guess it's supposed to meet him down there. I'm like, all right.
How the hell did he get over there?
Yeah, I was like, damn, he does ride fast.
No, but I was on it coming up because I went down that bypass. I get to the bottom and I'm like, where'd he go?
Oh, you went up and then down the bypass?
Down the bypass because Phil was done. And then I'm like, where'd he go? So I go down the gravel road all the way back to the gate. And I'm like, he's sitting at the gate in the shade. And I'm like, here's your water. I gotta catch up with Sean. Like, how long are you gonna be? I'm like,
45 minutes?
20 minutes up, 15 down or so. And,
okay.
you know, if I'm really on it,
You ready?
let's count on 35, 40 minutes.
Yeah, at least.
So he was gonna go loop the lake.
Oh.
All right,
Ready?
you're in the lead. Oh, this trail is beat up. Trail is beat up, man. Holy cow. Yeah, those cows did a number on that trail.
Woo.